During a seemingly ordinary traffic stop, a suspect in a stolen vehicle attempted to weave a convincing tale to evade suspicion, almost succeeding in his deception.
Whose plate? Mine. I just bought this car.
Okay. You have the... Get it up there. Do me a favor, just pull up a little bit.
Okay.
You just bought it from the dealership?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's good. I just didn't want you blocking the entrance there. Do you have a license with you?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Do you have any paperwork saying you just bought it or anything?
We might be at home because I've been at home a lot.
Do you remember what dealership you got it from?
Yeah. It's on the plate.
Yeah, I mean, oh. A&E Auto?
Yeah.
Okay. Did they give you that plate, or?
Yeah.
Why'd they give it to you?
They gave me 45 days.
So instead of giving you a temp tag, they gave you that?
Yeah.
Okay, they're not supposed to do that. But I'm not going to penalize you for something that
Thank you. I
may not have done.
I got to pick up my wife from the airport.
Okay. You have a license?
Yeah, I got a license right now.
Yeah, they're supposed to give you a temp tag, not a dealer plate. Dealer plate are only for employees.
Okay.
So, but like I said, I'm not going to penalize you for that.
Thank you, sir. I got this elbow arrangement here too. I just bought her.
Oh, there you go. Where's she coming from?
Miami.
Miami?
Yeah.
How long has she been in or is she from Miami?
No, she's from here. She
just
took a vacation.
She took a vacation. You want to welcome her back?
Yeah.
All right. Well, give me a minute. We'll get you on your way. How's that?
Right.
You run a dealer plate for me. It's a Series 005.
Okay. Let's A&E Auto Service and Sales out of Cleveland. Shows the expiration is 3/31 of 2023, and there's 15 plates in the series.
Do you have the keys, or?
No, I don't have them.
Tyler's gonna go sit at the top of the street.
Okay. Seems decent, but you know, who knows? I'm trying to figure out why. There's a whole mess of places. Apparently, which actually kind of, I believe, being a fly-by-night outfit, he said that they gave him instead of giving him a temp tag, they gave him a dealer plate to drive around with for 45 days. Like, why are you doing that?
No, that's sketchy.
Well, it's sketchy, but it wouldn't surprise me from A&E Auto Sales.
Over there, yeah.
Right.
Right.
Well, I'm going to go take the keys from him, and then I'll tell him it's in lieu of going in handcuffs right now.
Plus, he did reach down to the passenger seat.
Yeah, he's got an edible arrangement in there. He just came from edible arrangements. Oh, there's a phone number right there. Do me a favor, turn your car off real quick. And hand me the keys.
Okay.
Yeah, hand me the keys. Just hand me. Okay. This is in lieu of you going into handcuffs. You got 2 warrants.
For
Parma and Chagrin Valley.
yeah, they said they wouldn't come get me. I had a
Okay. Well, that's fine. They don't come get you. You can be on your way.
Okay.
But I figured instead of standing in the rain in handcuffs, I'll just take your keys so you can't go anywhere. You know what I mean? So give me a few minutes.
All right.
Let me see if I can call them real quick. Hey, how you doing? This is Investigator Pickens from Lakewood PD. Speaking to a gentleman who apparently you guys sold a car to. I'm trying to figure out why he has a dealer tag instead of a temp tag as a plate. Tag number is, he's got the keys. Yeah, it's a silver Chrysler Sebring. Or purple, rather. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. There's a police report, Cleveland. Okay. Hang tight. All right. I'll call you back. Bye. Don't do anything funny and step out of the car. Now, step out of the car.
What's wrong?
Step out of the car.
Let's go.
Or we're going to have problems, and I don't think you want to mess with me. I think you want to mess with me.
We tried running.
What's my face? Don't taste me. Don't taste me.
Get out! Get out! Now! Now you're under arrest for assault a police officer!
I didn't do nothing.
the other hand behind your back. You hear me?
Yes.
You're going to jail. You assault me again, and we're going to have a problem. Do you understand that?
I didn't assault you.
You knocked my glasses right off my face when you punched me.
I apologize. I didn't. Oh my God! I didn't mean to punch you. I didn't try to punch you. I was just trying to get away. I promise.
I told you not to do this.
My wife coming home.
You stole the car.
I didn't steal the car.
I was just on the phone with them.
That's my cousin's car.
We've had contact, haven't we?
No, we have not. Sir.
I've never spoken to you.
No, I'm not even from Lakewood.
All right, roll to your side,
You
bud.
haven't. I never got.
Bring your knees forward. We're gonna sit you up here. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go back here. Hold this.
You're under arrest for RSP and resisting arrest.
I apologize, sir. I didn't mean to.
You did. You wanted to get away. I told you not to do it. Did I not?
Yes.
Yeah. It's not worth it. You're lucky you didn't get tased. I'm fighting. I'm 53 years old. I'm done fighting.
Spread your feet for me, sir.
Guys.
Vehicle was then stolen with Cleveland.
Have a seat.
He captured the vehicle and never returned it.
All the way in.
Shows it's going to be
10-4. You might have another cut on you.
Yeah, let me take a look at that here.
Yeah.
Does this hurt at all?
No. Yeah, I'll take a photo.
Did you hear that?
What?
It is stolen, and you were the person that took it.
I didn't just take it.
They gave us your name.
I did not take it. My cousin probably did that.
Okay. Well, then he did it with your ID.
He probably did because I didn't know where the car came from.
Okay. All right.
Am I going to get in trouble for that?
Yeah, you're driving it, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So if he did it, then you need to complain to him. Because they gave us your name, but...
Okay.
Okay,
He,
so...
he's claiming these are his house keys. These are
Yeah, those are my house keys.
So he's got another key? Where's this one at?
That was in his front right pocket.
Where's this car at?
I don't know.
Do you want
It's not a stolen car.
Ask anything else?
Yeah.
Those are just extra keys
Extra keys for what?
from like old cars.
Okay. Alright, we're done. He can get his house keys another day.
Can you ask him to come here so I can ask him something?
Yeah, I'll roll down your window.
I guess he's got a question for you if you're...
Sure. I'll talk to him. Like I said, he was nice.
Hey, by the way, I didn't strike you.
Okay, then
I
how
think
did
I
get
just
the
got
cuts on my-
caught.
You just got caught?
Yeah, I think I just got caught. Swear to God, I didn't strike you. I would never try to.
You wouldn't try to hit me on purpose, would you?
No, I had no reason to hit you.
Okay. But you see I got cuts on my face, too.
Yeah,
So I'm not real happy about that.
I don't know.
I'm 53 years old, dude. I've been doing this job 30 years.
Yeah,
I'm not young anymore.
yeah,
I mean, I tried to be nice,
I know.
you know, so...
I got a question though. I'm supposed to be going to trucking school in June. Is this a felony or a misdemeanor?
Probably gonna be a misdemeanor.
Okay. Because I just graduated from Ohio State University.
But I can't say what they're gonna do with the RSP, but they might drop it to a misdemeanor, but I can't say that.
That's a felony?
As is, it's a felony. But I don't think they're taking F5s downtown.
Thanks for not running.
Okay.
So, okay?
Yeah.
But I'm gonna tell you, you know,
I know.
you seem like a really nice guy, and I was
I
getting
know.
ready to let you go, and now all of a sudden you turned into a real jack-off.
Because I was just thinking about my wife.
Okay, well now you're not going to get to see her dog.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, alright buddy.
Ultimately, as the truth came to light, the suspect's desperate lies unraveled, and there was no way for him to escape the inevitable repercussions.